Hi, my name is Ahmad Alfi Muhammad Fauzi. I want to present about introduction Jizo Burger. The company financial independent because of a negative part on its earning. Background of company: some of the notable products from Jizo Burger include the cheeseburger, burger chicken and fries. The value are to be fairness, diversity, respect, caring, clear, accountabilities, teamwork, high standards, commitment to excellence, celebrating their successes.
Hi madam, my name is Yogani Soren. Today I will talk about the mission statements of Gizo Burger. The first thing is customer satisfaction. The mission statements of Gizo Burger has identified its target customer groups and also identify their needs and demands. The second point is based on core competence. This is important for Gizo Burger as the mission statement will highlight the different system and processes as well as strategy tactics that the company uses to achieve its organizational and strategic goals. The third point is realistic and clear. This means that Gizo Burger has used simple string and easily understood words and phrases in the drafting of its mission statement. The fourth point is motivational and inspirational. The mission statement of Gizo Burger is motivational in that it works towards inspiring the employees and the workforce towards giving their optimal best performance towards the goal achievement of Gizo Burger. And the last thing is reflects the company offerings. This means that the mission statement for Gizo Burger highlight its offering but ensure that this offering is in line with the values that the company stands for.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Amira Adli Arazi binti Effendi. I'm taking into Permanent Management. So the subject that I will present for the final project strategy management. So the product that we choose is the burger. Our burger is named Gizo Burger. So I will present about the brief details on our business. So for our business, our company profile have founded year 2019. Headquarters Shah Alam, Selangor. Website www.gizoburger.com.my. As business description is second largest fast food restaurant. So the timing of restaurant is mentioned below. So Monday until Friday, 5 p.m. until 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday is 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. So company's burger, which is we have a top bun, tomato, meat patty, cheese, onion, salad, butter bun, and sesame. So packaging, we has a product a fast food box. Date profit 2020. So this one our box, we can packing be like this, so it's easy for people to take some food, eat burger. So for our menu that we have a cheese, double cheese, double beef burger, Hawaiian, Mexican, and that's all. So our menu and price, which is we have the cheese 6 ringgit, double cheese is 7. More prices, more delicious. So this is our menu. And then for the location marks, okay. So the location we choose Gizo Burger, selling at the Menara Yuto, in front of Menara Yuto, because of there's so many students and people need some fast food for a burger. That's why we are opening for the burger, Gizo Burger. The reason why we choose that place because of there are so many students or workers who live here and they need some fast food, especially burgers for the dinner. So after the class or work, they will buy it. So this one is our location. So that's all from me, and thank you so much.
Hello madam, my name is Shamita. Today I'll be explaining about the supply. Gizo Burgers Company has announced plan to become a publicly listed company through an initial public offering. The move is one of the measures to cover losses caused by fierce competition between other fast food establishments. Drive-by sales account for nearly 58% of its total sales, with eating out restaurant accounting for 20%. Gizo Burger restaurants serve experimentally 1,040 customers a day per restaurant, of 11.4 million customers every day. Now I'll be explaining about our product. Gizo Burgers markets and sells various types of flame boiled and flame grilled burgers such as chicken, fish, beef and turkey burgers, and other specialties are sandwiches. Our famous burger is the Whopper burger. Moreover, we also produce side dishes such as fries, onion rings, nuggets and drinks. Gizo Burgers offer breakfast menus such as French toast, hash browns and coffee. Therefore, our target market age mostly we target people aging from 16 to 35 age. Gender, we target both genders, male and female. Economy conditions, we mostly target the people of high society with high income and willing to pay. About our product packaging, labeling is the new packaging is a part of an overall brand strategy of Gizo Burger, which is trying to position itself and more uniformly on a global scale.
Product: food freshness. Their products are made fresh for every customer order. Unlike other fast food restaurants, they are made for stock. Food safety: all Gizo Burger food, packaging and promotional product must be safe, and they are delivered in time, in compliance, in specification, in temperature and in tech. They use multiple and overlapping control, which is a comprehensive food safety program to oversee supplier and validate their compliance and performance. Their reliance on farm control, supplier sampling and distribution center audit provide tight control over the quality of food. Secure supply chain. The supplier are selected on the basis of their ability to meet and consistently comply with Gizo Burger policies. They required supply to have a monitoring program that is stricter than most industry standard. Service: quick response. A good service quality can be determined through the responsiveness, which relates to the timeliness of the service. Training: Gizo Burger provide worldwide training, which is responsible for design of global training initiative, including in-restaurant training system. Always smiling, respecting guests, and behave friendly are the attitude that Gizo Burger emphasis on so that the basic service requirement is achieved. Communication: a well communication skill can minimize the error happen and lead to good quality service. Environment such as atmosphere or climate of the restaurant is an important element in order to provide a good quality service.
Now I'll be explaining about strategic generation. and selection. Cost leadership. So cost leadership is the main generic strategy that Zico Burger uses in various consumer markets. Gizo Burger uses a cost leadership strategy. The primary objective of using this strategy is to preserve the market leadership position through effective value chain management. Zico Burger focuses on affordability and easy accessibility of its produce across the global, which leads towards high brand awareness and high sales growth and provide a strong competitive advantage. Basics. Differentiation. Zico Burger uses differentiations in combination with the cost leadership strategy to achieve growth objectives. Zico Burger's strategic objective of using this strategy is to differentiate by embedding the innovation and address the customers' growing health concerns.
The second thing I want to talk is SWOT space metrics are strengths of Gizo Burger is distribution and reach. Gizo Burger has a large number of outlets in almost every state, supported by a strong distribution network that makes sure that its products are available easily to a large number of customers in a timely manner. The second thing is weakness of Gizo Burger are rented property. A significant proportion of the property that Gizo Burger owns is rented rather than purchased. The third point is opportunities of Gizo Burger are internet. There has been an increase in the number of internet users all over the world. This means that there is an opportunity for Gizo Burger to expand their presence online by using the internet or interact with its customer. And the fourth point is traits of Gizo Burger are technology developments by competitors. New technological developments by a few competitors within the industry pose a threat to Gizo Burger as customer attracted to this new technology can be lost to competitors. Gizo Burger overall market share. And the last thing is increasing competition. There has been an increase in competition within the industry putting downwards pressure and prices.
Now is about the marketing. So the first one will be about product. Zico Burgers operating its business as a quick fast food service product provider and focusing on burgers as its primary product. Place. This component of the marketing mix refer to the avenue that firms use to transact with target customers aside from restaurant. Customers can use Zico Burgers mobile app to access coupons for special offers and freebies. The third one is about the price. Pricing strategy of the Zico Burger is created on the basis of generic strategy. Example, cost leadership. This strategy is the company includes establishing the price on the basis of current market trends on conditions like competition, changes in the environment and customer preference. The last one is about the promotion. In addition to above marketing strategy, Gizo Burger is employing some different strategy to enhance the promotion of its product and services among its customer. The marketing strategy mix includes the tactics which are utilized to communicate with the target customers is about the offers of company. Gizo Burgers is implementing various communication strategies like advising, personal selling, public relations, and sales promotions.
The last thing I want to talk is the conclusion. With the general environment analysis, the company can see a longer horizon of time and be able to clarify strategic opportunities and threats that the organization faces. The second thing is by the strength of the company to fully utilize their on-end resource is it brings the company growth faster. The third thing is the company is also more able to respond to consumer demands that earlier in its existence would have been impossible. The fourth point is Gizo Burger now envisions itself as a stabilized company, with entering new markets as they are in exploiting those markets in every way available to them. So by overall, Gizo Burger has the persistent business management to maintain their business no matter on their products, promotional or business strategy. It brings the company to grow rapidly and globalize. That's all from me, madam. Thank you.